Imagine this. It's a quiet Sunday morning in California. You wake up, stretch, and check your phone. While you were sleeping, a small deposit landed in your account. You didn't work overtime. You didn't take a second job. This money came from systems you built earlier that continue to run in the background. That is the power of passive income. And it is transforming the way ordinary people in the USA think about money. Most Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Studies show that nearly 60% of households cannot cover a sudden $1,000 expense without borrowing or using credit cards. For many, financial freedom feels like a distant dream reserved for the wealthy or lucky. But the truth is different, and you don't need millions to begin. What you need is a mindset shift, practical steps, and consistent effort. The first key idea is moving from active income to passive income. Active income means trading hours for dollars, working a shift, freelancing, or running a business where your presence is required every day. Passive income, on the other hand, is money that continues to flow once the initial work or investment is done. Think of writing an e-book, creating an online template, or investing in an index fund. The upfront work is real, but once complete, the system keeps generating revenue without constant attention. Before diving into methods, let's talk about financial foundations. Too often, people try to build income streams while carrying heavy debt and uncontrolled spending. Imagine building a skyscraper on unstable ground. It will collapse. The same happens with money. If your expenses are out of control, even the best passive income ideas won't save you. Start by tracking your spending. Free apps like Mint, Personal Capital, or even a simple Excel sheet can show where your money leaks away. Cutting just $300 of waste each month equals $3,600 a year. That amount can become your seed capital for investing. Once you control spending, focus on skill-based income. Why? Because passive income often requires initial cash flow. One of the safest ways to generate that is through your skills. Americans today are turning hobbies into side hustles. A teacher creates worksheets and sells them online. A designer offers logos on Fiverr. A student provides tutoring over Zoom. These may not be passive at first, but they create surplus money, which can later be invested into true passive systems. For example, a freelance writer in Chicago started by earning $200 per month on side projects. Within a year, she was making $1,000 extra. That $1,000 became her investment fund for digital products and index funds. Now let's talk about digital assets. This is where the magic of modern passive income shines. Unlike physical businesses, digital products require little overhead and can sell infinitely. Examples include ebooks, online courses, budgeting templates, stock photos, or even royalty-free music. Consider this. If you create a personal finance guide as a PDF and sell it for $20, just 200 sales a year will bring $4,000. That's income generated without inventory, shipping, or storage. Digital assets are powerful because Americans are willing to pay for convenience, education, and time-saving tools. Investing is another cornerstone of passive income. In the USA, some of the most reliable and low-risk options are index funds, high-yield savings accounts, and real estate investment trusts. Index funds like the S&P 500 have historically delivered 7 to 10% annual returns. High-yield savings accounts now offer up to 4 to 5% interest, making them much better than traditional checking. Our EITs allow you to invest in property without being a landlord. For example, if you invest $500 monthly in an index fund, after 10 years you could have more than $85,000 even at modest growth rates. The point isn't getting rich overnight. It's steady, consistent compounding. Compounding is often misunderstood. It's not just growth. It's growth on top of growth. Real-life stories make these ideas real. Consider Michael, a 32-year-old office worker in Texas. He began by eliminating $400 of monthly waste in used subscriptions, impulse shopping, and high-interest debt. He funneled that money into a simple index fund while also launching a $25 Excel budgeting course online. Within 18 months, his side income and investments generated $900 per month without him working extra hours. Michael didn't quit his job, but he built a financial safety net that gave him peace of mind. Passive income also comes from creating scalable online businesses. Affiliate marketing, for example, allows you to earn commissions by recommending products through blogs, YouTube channels, or email newsletters, if done responsibly, without exaggeration or misleading claims. Affiliate income can scale significantly. Americans frequently rely on product reviews before buying, and honest recommendations create trust. The key is to keep it ethical and transparent, avoiding hype or false promises. Another pathway is real estate. While buying rental properties requires larger capital, there are entry points for beginners. House hacking, where you live in one unit of a duplex and rent the other, helps cover your mortgage while building equity. Even smaller investments like real estate crowdfunding platforms allow Americans to pool money into property projects for passive returns. These approaches turn housing into both shelter and income. For those who prefer technology, automated investing platforms, also called robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront, provide easy entry. They automatically manage your portfolio with diversified investments, often at lower fees than traditional advisors. This makes investing more accessible, especially for younger Americans who don't want to actively trade. The future of passive income also lies in building online communities. Subscription models, where members pay a small monthly fee for exclusive content, are becoming popular. For example, someone sharing financial tips through a private email group or online forum can generate recurring income while providing genuine value. The subscription model works because it's predictable, sustainable, and scales as the community grows. Now, here's the essential truth. Passive income is not instant. It requires discipline, patience, and consistency. Many people fail because they chase overnight success. They try risky schemes, get burned, and quit. Real passive income is like planting a tree. At first, it's small and fragile. With care, it grows roots and branches, eventually giving shade and fruit for years. So where should you begin today? First, review your spending and cut unnecessary costs. Second, use one skill to earn extra cash. Third, reinvest that surplus into low-risk investments like index funds or digital products. Step by step, you will build a system that grows stronger over time. Remember, financial freedom in the USA doesn't mean never working again. It means creating a balance where money supports your life, not controls it. When you wake up one morning and see money deposited into your account while you slept, you'll know you've built more than income. You've built independence. Think about a typical evening after work. Most Americans are tired and have little energy for personal projects or side income. Passive income changes that. It allows you to earn money consistently while having the freedom to focus on family, hobbies, learning, or personal growth. It is not about shortcuts or luck. It is about building reliable systems that grow over time and continue to generate revenue with minimal active effort. One of the most effective methods for passive income is creating digital products. Unlike traditional businesses, digital products require little ongoing work after creation. E-books, templates, online courses, and stock photos can all provide continuous revenue. For example, a professional in Florida developed a personal finance course and marketed it to a nationwide audience. Within months, it began generating thousands of dollars annually, requiring only minor updates to maintain sales and engagement. The key is to identify a skill, knowledge, or resource that can be packaged once and sold repeatedly. Content websites and blogs are another avenue for passive income. Building a blog requires consistent effort in the beginning, but once it attracts traffic, it can earn income through advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships. A healthcare professional in California started a blog sharing career and financial guidance for nurses. As readership grew, ad revenue and affiliate income provided a steady flow of money. Without daily maintenance, the essential factor is creating original, helpful content that continues to attract visitors over time. YouTube is a powerful tool for passive income without showing your face. Channels using animations, stock footage, charts, or screen recordings attract consistent viewers. Finance-focused content, such as budgeting tips, saving strategies, or investment guidance, can generate revenue through ads and affiliate links. One creator focusing on personal finance reached thousands of viewers per video, and the channel now earns income even when no new videos are produced. Success on YouTube comes from delivering accurate, evergreen content that remains relevant to the US audience. Investing is another cornerstone of building long-term income. Safe options include index funds, dividend-paying stocks, and high-yield savings accounts. Index funds track major market indices like the S&P 500, historically delivering 7 to 10% annual returns. Dividend stocks provide regular income as companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. High-yield savings accounts offer 4 to 5% annual returns, making them a low-risk method for growing capital. Even small, consistent investments can compound over time. creating a solid financial foundation. Automation enhances the scalability of passive income. Many online businesses operate efficiently with minimal daily oversight once systems are set up. Print-on-demand services allow creators to sell products without managing inventory or shipping. Platforms handle production and delivery, while creators focus on design and marketing. Similarly, automated e-commerce stores manage orders, payments, and customer service, converting initial effort into ongoing revenue streams. Subscription models and online communities provide recurring income. Many Americans pay for access to valuable information or guidance, offering monthly subscriptions for newsletters, educational content, or private communities ensures a steady income flow. A content creator sharing productivity or financial advice through subscription-based platforms can scale income while maintaining high value. Consistency and quality are essential for building trust and long-term retention. Affiliate marketing is another method for generating income passively. By recommending products or services you trust, you can earn commissions without managing inventory. Responsible affiliate marketing emphasizes transparency and credibility. For instance, a finance educator may recommend budgeting apps or investment tools to their audience. Each purchase through a referral link generates a commission, which over time can become a significant and scalable income source. Building a personal brand amplifies income opportunities. Establishing authority in a niche allows you to create online courses, workshops, and collaborations. Even a small, engaged audience can produce meaningful revenue when value is consistently provided. Professionals sharing practical financial advice online can sell digital guides, host webinars, or launch mini-courses, all contributing to steady income streams. Skill development is crucial for expanding passive income potential. Improving expertise in areas like digital marketing, content creation, or finance opens doors to creating scalable systems. Leveraging skills to produce digital products, educational content, or automated services results in reliable income. Continuous learning strengthens the quality and efficiency of these systems, increasing long-term revenue. Financial discipline is key to making passive income effective. Earnings should be reinvested instead of spent on immediate lifestyle upgrades. Many Americans increase spending as income grows, which undermines the benefits of passive systems. Reinvesting earnings from digital products, dividends, or online courses accelerates growth and strengthens financial foundations. Incremental reinvestment creates a compounding effect over time, increasing the overall value of your income streams. Consistency is the engine behind long-term success. Small, repeated actions generate more results than sporadic effort. Consider Alex, a professional in Chicago. He reduced unnecessary spending, offered freelance services, and created a digital budgeting tool. Over several years, these actions generated consistent income streams exceeding $2,500 per month. By maintaining focus and gradual growth, Alex achieved financial stability and independence without relying on high-risk strategies. Technology allows for efficiency and scalability. Automation tools, analytics software, and scheduling platforms enable the management of multiple income streams simultaneously. Automated email marketing keeps audiences engaged, while content management and social media scheduling tools streamline operations. These tools help optimize strategies, track performance, and reduce hands-on work. Small, recurring revenue streams accumulate over time. Subscriptions, memberships, microcourses, and service packages can combine into diversified income portfolios. This diversification reduces dependency on a single source and creates predictable results. Even modest earnings from multiple streams compound, building stability and long-term security. Investing in yourself is foundational. Knowledge, skills, and expertise increase your ability to generate income. Every hour spent learning new tools, marketing techniques, or content creation strategies contributes to long-term success. Individuals who focus on skill growth alongside passive income systems often experience the most reliable and sustainable results. Patience is essential. Many people fail by seeking quick gains or taking unnecessary risks. Real passive income grows gradually through consistent action, careful planning, and responsible execution. The cumulative effect of small, steady steps produces increasingly stable revenue streams over time. Envision financial flexibility, the freedom to spend time as you choose, pursue meaningful goals, and prioritize personal growth. Passive income allows money to work for you instead of you constantly working for money. Systems created today through digital products, content, automation, subscriptions, affiliate marketing, and safe investments continue generating income for years. Starting is straightforward. Begin by reducing unnecessary expenses. Leverage a skill to earn extra income. Create a digital product or content that adds value. Invest safely and reinvest earnings. Over months and years, these steps build sustainable, automated income streams. Consistent, ethical approaches produce results across the United States. Discipline, skill application, and reinvestment together lead to financial independence. Passive income enables choice, flexibility, and security. It allows you to live without financial stress. Pursue opportunities and create a life on your terms. Passive income in the USA is practical, achievable, and scalable. By focusing on financial discipline, skill development, digital assets, content creation, automation, subscriptions, affiliate programs, and safe investments, ordinary people can establish systems that generate continuous income. Patience, consistency, and long-term planning are key. Every action taken today strengthens a future where money flows steadily, offering freedom, flexibility, and financial security. Success comes to those who start small, remain consistent, reinvest wisely, and apply skills effectively. Incremental progress leads to compounding results. With dedication and proper planning, your passive income can reach a point where it supports your lifestyle, gives you freedom to focus on meaningful pursuits, and ensures stability regardless of economic changes. The first step is simple. Identify your skills, knowledge, or interests that can be transformed into products, content, or services. Use automation, subscriptions, and affiliate opportunities to maximize efficiency. Combine multiple streams of income for reliability and reinvest earnings for growth. Over time, these systems produce a sustainable financial foundation. Ultimately, passive income is about creating choice. It allows you to decide how to spend your time, focus on priorities, and build a life aligned with your goals. It transforms effort into long-term results, giving control over finances and creating opportunities that active income alone cannot provide. By committing to consistent effort, continuous learning, and ethical financial practices, anyone can develop passive income streams that grow steadily. These systems allow you to live with financial freedom, pursue personal passions, and achieve stability for the future. Starting today, taking small, intentional steps ensures that your income works for you, building security, flexibility, and independence over time.